No, I'm not gonna rip it. I need the bag. It's fire, actually. That, yeah. Alright, is this the mild or is this the spicy? Oh, you got half of it. Wow, too I guess I'll be this good. That's all. Are you gonna eat? Ooh, actually no. Can I take this with my parents? No. That's just. Do you have like other tissues? In the bag?
We don't believe in them.
Or
What do you believe in?
Modern
You're gonna put them. Oh, Jackie, I threw out my LeBron.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Please, home. Please.
I threw out my LeBron boxes, bro.
like the best in Japan.
No, it's fine.
No, this is a shitty one though. This isn't ours.
I'm gonna order it again, probably. Oh, your fat ass is in the way, dog.
Oh, I'm sorry, my bad. I apologize.
Still,
Yeah, just go.
started.
How good is the chicken? Come on, it's a mukbang. Tell us about it.
Nice texture. It's crispy. It's still hot, obviously, which is a bonus. You know, it actually tastes good. Sometimes you'll go to like places like Church's Chicken or Mary Brown Chicken, and then you'll get like chicken that's been fried in like 3-week oil, some bad oil. But this is good. I mean, I can't expect less from Popeyes, you know.
So how often do you guys eat at Popeyes?
Very often. Put up. I'm not sure that was so loud. Popeyes is kind of a delicacy. Louisiana chicken, you know. But you know, try not to go too excessive. You gotta always change it up, spice it up.
Is there any like sort of chicken that you prefer more than Popeyes?
That's a very good question. Honestly, Popeyes probably sets the bar. I mean, you know, we don't have as many chicken places like they have in like US, but like think about it.
fucking
like,
that shit
what else? Churches, chicken's not always that good. Popeyes don't go. I can't think of anything else.
How was the Space Jam meal?
Very delicious.
How was it, Jackie?
Very delicious, man. No LeBron, all 4 Roadrunners. Very unfortunate. 2 grown-ass men walking into McDonald's for LeBron.
Dude.
You got 4 dupes, man. Yeah, it's been open for like a couple months now. Really? Yeah. I remember last time I went, it was freaking closed, bro.
Chicken.
You guys want the box? I don't think you guys want the box anymore.
Did you throw it out? You threw out the Space Jam box?
I thought the Space Jam box is right in here. I can get it, but I don't know if you're gonna want this one.
Nah, it's good, it's good.
No, you gotta do like the makeup booty.
Why did you take such a big bite, bro?
Next, see we have black people eating chicken and an Asian guy eating chicken. Next, we're gonna have Asian guy eating pho, black guy eating pho. Instead of chicken, I have to have like noodles or something.
Those are greasy ass fingers, bro. Under.
Oh, hey, Casey.
My parents are watching you do this.
This is kind of cool because usually they always give you a lot of drums, less what's called thighs, but now there's like a lot of thighs.
Which type of part is your favorite? Breast, thighs, drums?
I'm black. I love breasts.
Oh, you love breast. Okay.
But you know, I usually go with the
You like them
thighs.
titties.
Thighs.
Thighs.
You can't go wrong with thighs. You get the most meat there, the most tender. Oh, I guess take a you know, and then nice bite into the thigh. You know, drums are alright.
How about guys?
That's like a delicate.
Blue diamonds, blue tint, yeah. Hey.
So what type of food do you guys want to try next time on next time's mukbang?
Osmos.
Osmos.
Yeah, go to no, you know next best thing. Get your Cummy Laziz, the fucking all garlic sauce. No, because
Shawarma pizza.
they gave me
Shawarma
Laziz
pizza?
without.
Alright, as the mukbang comes to a close, what do you guys have to say?
Eat chicken.
Tasty
Enjoy
burger.
food.
Tasty burger.
Tasty burger.
Tasty burger.
Always get the LeBron chicken meal.
Casey, what do you have to say?
Tasty burger or tasty chicken?
Just anything to close off.
Tasty burger. That's all I can say.
Out of mercy.
Shit.
Alright, the outro music will be G-Shit.